Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to prepare basic 3D modeling in SolidWorks software. If you new in this channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. So I choose this drawing. You can see the base size is 125 by 90 and height is 20 plus 20 60 mm. First I will prepare the base. Go to file, new part, okay, change the units, select the extruded, select the front plane, normal, select the center rectangle, give the dimension 125, this is 90, (125 by 90). Finish sketch. Mid plane 60 mm. Okay. So our base is ready. Again click the surface, sketch, normal, select corner rectangle, give the dimension, this is 20 mm, here to here 45 mm. You can see here to here 45 mm, height is 20 mm, remove material up to 60 mm, finish sketch, extruded cut up to 60 mm. Okay, so our first step is ready. Again select surface, sketch, normal, select corner rectangle, give the dimension, this is 20 mm. That's it. Finish sketch, extruded cut up to 30 mm. That's it friends. This is a basic 3D model. So upcoming I will show you very complex 3D models. So if you like this video, please do like and subscribe my channel. So I will assign the material here. You can see appearances, select metal, you can select any material. I will select aluminum. In the aluminum so many colors are there, like this is the finished colors. Also you can see steel is there, chrome, aluminum, bronze, brass, copper, all materials are there. In the steel chrome, zinc, okay, I will select aluminum and I will give this color. Click the double. Okay, so I will change the stuffs colors. Select here, select the surfaces, entire body will take. Select this surface, okay, and this one, this one, this one, this one. That's it. Finish. Save the part, Ctrl S, or you can save top side also. save. That's it friend, today's session. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.